Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Professor Examiner and Supervisor. In this section, I will present chapter 4 of my thesis, which discusses the research finding and analysis. This chapter explains the result of final data analysis on 15 regency and cities in Lampung province from 28 to 2024. The discussion includes descriptive statistics, model selection, classical assumption, test, regression ratio, hypothesis testing, and the interpretation of the finding. The main focus is to examine the effect of local on source revenue and capital expenditure on local government financial performance, which financial statement quality is a moderating variable. I will begin by presenting the descriptive statistic of the research variable. And result and discussion, local government financial performance in Lampung province, and empirical analysis, the influence of regional on source revenue or PAD and capital expenditure on local government financial performance with financial reports quality as a moderating variable covering regions or cities in Lampung province. Research sample description. The study cover 105 panel that observation from all 10 eh, 15 bahasa Inggrisnya non 15 15 bahasa Inggrisnya non. Oh 15 from all 15 regency cities in Lampung province over 7 years 7 years growth into 3 fiscal periods. Pre-pandemic baseline fiscal condition across all 15 regions. Pandemic COVID-19 description, budget repercussion, and fiscal pressure. Post-pandemic recovery, normalization, and renewal fiscal capacity. All 15 regions face complete 7-year debts, forming a balanced panel. Data source include official APBD budget realization reports and BPK area audit result. Regional economic profile, Northern Lampung, Lampung Utara, Waikanan, Tulang Bawang, Tulang Bawang Barat, Mesuji, itu diuk 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 Ih, diuk 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 Wah. Oh sih bisa asupan video oh luar urang di itu Latar Lampung, Lampung Utara, Uai Kanan, Tulang Bawang Barat, Musuji, Agrikultur, Plantation Forestry. Sentral Lampung, Lampung Tengah, Lampung Timur, Kota Metro, Agroindustri and Urban Service. Sultan Lampung, Bandar Lampung, Lampung Selatan, Pesawaran, Pringsiau, Trade Government, Bakauheni Gateway. Western and Coastal, Lampung Barat, Tanggamus, Pesisir Barat, Mountain Fisheries, Coastal Tourism. Decisive statistic of referential variable. Kalau si Najim, gering sih. This list show the descriptive statistic of research variable based on 105 observation. The financial performance variable has an average value of 100, which indicates the local government. Financial performance is generally close to 100%. However, the maximum value of 108 show that some regions may experience less efficient fiscal management. For PAD, the main value is a discount local on source revenue or LNX1 has an average value of around 25.38. The standard deviation is around 0.89, which shows that there are differences in local revenue capacities among regions and cities. This means that some regions are able to generate higher local revenue than others. Third, capital expenditure or low natural X2 has an average value of around 26.01. Its standard deviation is around 0.44, which is lower than the standard deviation of PAD. This indicates that capital expenditure is relatively more stable across regions. Lastly, the financial assessment quality variable or ZKLK has an average value of around 3.84 out of 4. This shows that most local governments have relatively good financial statements quality. However, the minimum value of 2 indicates that there are still differences in reporting quality across region and year. Overall, this descriptive statistics show that the research data have sufficient variation, especially in local ounce of source revenue and financial performance. Therefore, the analysis can be continued to the panel data regression stage. The next expressions, the classical assumption test used to ensure that the regression model is statistically reliable. First, the normality test was conducted using the Jacobi test. The result shows that the probability value is 0.86, which is higher than 0.05. This means that the residual are normative distributes. In addition, with 105 observation, the central limit theorem also supports the normality assumption. Second, the multicollinearity test was examined through the correlation matrix. The correlation value among the independent variable are all below the threshold of 0.80. This indicates that there is no multi-collinearity problem, so each variable provides independent information in the model. Third, the heteroscedasticity test was conducted using the Glaser test. The results show that several variables have probability values below 0.05. Therefore, heteroscedasticity is detected in the model. The overcount is probable. The estimation was corrected using weight cross-section robust standard errors. Lastly, the autocorrelation that was conducted is using the Durbin-Watson statistic. The result is around on point 59, which is still within the acceptable range between 1.5 and 2.5. This indicates that there is no serious autocorrelation problem in the model. Overall, the model has met the normality, multicollinearity, and autocorrelation assumption, although heteroscedasticity is detected. It has been quality using robust standard error, so the regression result can still be used for further hypothesis testing. Okay, this slide present the hypothesis testing ratio. Based on the regression ratio, all five hypotheses are rejected because the probability value are higher than 0.05. First, hypothesis 1 examines the effects of local on-source revenue or PAD on local government financial performance. The result shows that PAD does not significant affect financial performance, although the coefficient has a negative direction. The effect is statistically insignificant. This means that an increase in PAD does not automatically improve local government financial performance if it is not followed by effective budget management and productive expenditure allocation. Hypothesis 2 examine the effects of capital expenditure on local government financial performance. The result also saw a significant effect. This indicates that capital expenditure does not directly improve financial performance. In the short term, the benefit of capital expenditure shall depend on planning, quality project implementation, and asset utilization. Hypothesis 3 examine the effect of financial statement quality on local government financial performance. The results show that financial statement quality does not have a significant direct effect. This means that good financial reports may reflection and accountability, but they do not automatically improve fiscal efficiency unless the information is actually used in budgetary decision making. Hypothesis for action means whether financial statement quality models the relationship between PAD and financial performance. The result shows that the moderating effect is not significant. This means that financial statement quality does not strengthen or weaken the relationship between PAD and financial performance. Lastly, hypothesis 5 examine whether financial statement quality moderates the relationship between capital expenditure and financial performance. The result is also significant. This indicates that financial statement quality alone cannot ensure that capital expenditure will improve financial performance. Overall, these findings show that PAD capital expenditure and financial statement quality do not directly or significantly affect local government financial performance. In this model, the results suggest that financial performance is not only determined by the amount of revenue spending or report quality, but also by how effectively local governments manage, allocates, and utilizes their financial resources. Kan?
Kalau bukan beda gitu.
Hmm?
Maksudnya kan bedanya stem dan set.
Hah?
Stem dan set kan bedanya
Oh,
eh, fokus ke kontribusi. Nah, bukan stem makanya industri energi itu aja itu kan nah, deh budaya sosial masyarakatnya mungkin lah dipikir orang
kelak, kelak.
terus kedua tentang aja ya.
Petitioner discussed why the variable did not achieve statistical significance. PAD is not significant because Hague's local revenue does not automatically improve financial performance. Some regions have strong economic potential, but this potential has not been fully converted into effective local revenue. During the pandemic, budget priorities also shift to health and social assistance, which limits the role of PAD. Capital expenditure is also not significant because its benefits are long-term infrastructure spending, such as roads, building, and irrigation, does not immediately improve fiscal efficiency. Its impact depends on planning implementation and asset utilization. Financial assessment quality is not significant because good reports mainly reflect compliance and accountability. However, they do not automatically improve financial performance unless the information is actively used in budgeting and decision making. The moderating effects also fail because financial assessment quality cannot strengthen the effect of PAD or capital expenditure if the information is not used effectively in fiscal planning and expenditure control. In conclusion, this finding indicates that financial performance is influenced by broader factors outside this model, such as transfer funds, operational expenditure, governance quality, economic growth, and popularity characteristic. Okay, the slide explains the limitation of the study and recommendation for future research. The first limitation is the geographic scope, because this study only focuses on Lampung province. Therefore, the results may not represent all local governments in Indonesia. The second limitation is the research period, which covers 2018 to 2024. The period includes the COVID-19 pandemic when many local governments experienced budget refocusing and fiscal adjustment. The third limitation is variable coverage. This study only includes PAD, capital expenditure, financial performance, and financial statement quality. Meanwhile, financial performance may also be influenced by other factors, such as transfer pool, operational expenditure, economic growth, population, and governance quality. The fourth limitation is that this study used a quantitative approach online, so it cannot deeply explain managerial and policy factors behind the insignificant ratio. For further research, it recommended to expand the research area with a long period and more relevant variable and use a research measurement of financial assessment quality. Further research may also use mixed method to again deeper insights through interview. Overall, this limitation do not weaken the value of this study. Instead, they varied provides opportunities for future research to develop a broader and deeper analysis of local government financial performance. The conclude my presentation in conclusion is to study show that local government financial performance is not only influenced by revenue, capital expenditure, and report quality, but also by the effectiveness of budget management and policy implementation. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm open to any question and suggestion.